let's compute the following sum. Here we are interested in computing the sum of the cosine of k, where k is between 1, goes from 1 to 359. K is a positive integer and it's in degrees. That means k takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. until 359. And since we want to compute this one in less than 2 minutes, we can hurry up. Okay? If you want to do it, you can stop here and see if you can do it in less than 2 minutes. But for me, I'm not gonna hurry up. I'll work it out nicely, and we will explain all the steps that we do. Okay? The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make or draw a circle. Okay? Here I see that the angles are going from 1. Let me assume that this is these angles are, to make them clear, I'm gonna make them bigger, and etc. So I will cover the whole circle except the last one. I will stop here at this angle of 359. Okay? And one key idea here is that for any angle that's in degrees here, let's call this one x. Let's call it x, and let's see that this is the cosine of x. The green dot is the cosine here. So this length here is the cosine of x. And let's see that after we make a turn by 180, and I get I take the cosine of that angle, I get the minus value. Okay, this might seem not the case, but because the circle is not drawn to scale, so but anyways, I get the cosine of x is minus cosine of x plus 180. Okay, so this property here is very crucial. So the cosine of x plus 180 is minus cosine of x. Okay, we can use similar triangles and taking the negative values into account, and we see that we have this value here. Now we're going to use this one here to solve this problem. Okay, so we're going to form the numbers that we're going to count in pairs in this manner. So 1 will go with 181, 2 will go with 182, 3 with 183, and etc. So we're going to have the cosine of, let's start from 1, cosine of 1 plus the cosine of 181 plus the cosine of 2 plus the cosine of 182 plus the cosine of 3 plus the cosine of 183, and etc. I'm going to keep going until the cosine of 359, but this is just 179 plus the cosine of 180 plus 179. Okay, I want you to see this. That's why I'm trying to make it clear. Okay, so 359 is 180 plus 179. Okay, so this one here, it's this angle here. This is 179. Okay, and this is the cosine. The cosine here is negative, the cosine here is positive. Okay, so we missed one angle that we couldn't find a pair with it or any other number with it. It's 180. Okay, so here plus the cosine of 180. So we did all of them except this number here. Okay, now we're going to use this property here to eliminate all the values that we need. So the cosine of 1 plus cosine of 81 is 0. So let's see here. So this is 0. This one, 2 plus cosine of 182. The cosine of 2 plus the cosine of 182 is 0. This one is 0. The cosine of 180 plus 179 plus the cosine of 179 is 0. And the only one left is the cosine of 180. It's this one here, and that's minus 1. Okay, this means that our sum cosine of k k going from 1 to 359 is -1. Okay, next we're gonna compute the two values. We're gonna compute the cosine of k going from 1 to 89, and the cosine of k going from 0 to 90, with k in degrees. Okay, what do you think? What are these values? Let's call this one I, I'll call this one j. We can compute one and deduce the other result, but what do you think of these ones? Can you compute them? Can you find the values? Go ahead, and I wish you all the luck. And if you see any errors or mistakes, please comment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much again, and I wish you a great Sunday. Thank you.